Well, this is the pointy end of the show now. This is house number 4, and this is beautiful. This is from Boutique Homes. It's called the Montreal. 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. I'm gonna give it a floor plan, a really unique floor plan. The master suite is like something out of Sex and the City. I mean, this house, I can see me living here. Are you excited?
Excited.
Really excited.
Very
Should
excited.
we go and have a sticky beak?
Absolutely.
Come on, let's go. So come on in, guys.
Ooh,
Wow.
so luxe, so moody, and beautiful contemporary space.
Yeah, I mean, they've really thought this out really well, because when you think about what you've got a maximised space here, and this particular layout I love because it feels homely, you feel contained, you've not got enormous voids for all your heating to go upstairs. And I know it's something you talked about, and then you did like it and you didn't, you know, so this is somewhere in the middle for you guys.
I love all of the windows, the natural light, the finishes, the stone, the wide floorboards. It's gorgeous.
Kitchen area is amazing. It's got a great bench top and so much space.
So question is, can I decide where we go next? Because I want to take to the main bedroom, because it's pimped out and it is so super cool.
Let's go. Oh wow, look at this.
Yeah.
This is moody.
Isn't it cool?
I feel like we're in a Melbourne hotel.
Yeah, it does feel like
Yeah.
a super luxe hotel, doesn't it? You know, space is everything in a main bedroom. You don't want to feel like you're imprisoned in a small pokey house, especially when you're building big like that.
I love the window. I love the place to sit and read, and it's just real. It just has a good feel about it.
Big TV on the wall, I think.
Big TV.
Big TV.
Yeah.
And I can see we've got plenty of space around the corner here. This is an amazing bathroom.
That's a really nice shower.
Love the window. Love the bath.
Won't get you out of there.
No.
This is your home.
Stairs are interesting because I don't know whether I would want storage under here or whether to keep it nice and bright and airy, you know? You could do something down there, I reckon. And then you have this.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
This is gorgeous.
Yeah.
It's great just having all these different areas, and it's really interesting. I think it's an amazing space.
I like the built-in joinery bookshelf behind as well.
Just little things, aren't they, which make it
details.
feel luxurious. So you know I said I had a curveball room.
Yes.
Well, welcome to it.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Look at the
that.
cathedral ceilings.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
So what a
lovely.
crazy idea, which they've geniusly come up with. It's to have a second room. I mean, this is like a multifunctional suite up here. It could be a bedroom, it could be a games room, it could be a bar, it could be anything
Yeah.
that you wanted to. But whatever it is, it's going to be beautiful because of these ceilings. Storage, 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 soft close hinges, internal bevel drawers. They've gone all out, haven't they?
They have. I don't think we'd have this many pots and pans to fit in this. The layout is perfect.
Yeah.
It's easy to get around. Sometimes you find it's too wide between the sink and the back.
Yeah.
I think it's a really good dimension
We've got the
for a
spotless.
kitchen.
How good is this? I mean, it's an old school feature having a servery, but they're back. Everyone's putting them in again now.
Because they're practical and they're functional.
Being able to just hand stuff out here, and you've got some guests putting things onto the table. 10
It's
out of
great.
10.
I think it's another must-have, Walt.
There is a lot that goes into choosing the right knockdown rebuild house for your own journey, and this house, to me, ticks so many of those boxes. It is the Montreal, it's from Boutique Homes, and you can find out all the beautiful photos, all the videos, and see this house in all its glory, all online. Head to boutiquehomes.com.au. And after the break, it is time to see which house they're going to buy to build.